So in today's video, we are going to show you how to use rabbit poo as a fertilizer.
Hello viewers, once again as we've been doing rabbit farming and we've been talking about the importances of the byproducts of rabbits, and in today's video I'll be taking you through the process, the importance, the application of the rabbit manure. First and foremost, what we always do is that we first dry the rabbit poo to this extent, because when you apply it directly, the rabbit poo, when it's still wet, it contains the rabbit urine, and that rabbit urine is too acidic to the crops. It has more acids that can easily lead to the dry up of crops, and that's the reason as to why we first dry it to this extent, so as to avoid the damaging of the crops. So this rabbit poo is always applied on crops, not onto the crops but besides the crops. Like, you have your rabbit poo this way and pour around the crops, not onto the crop.
So how often do you apply it?
We often apply it after every 2 weeks, 1 or 2 weeks. So as we have applied our poo here as a fertilizer to the crop, you can also apply it to various crops, it being sukuma wiki, other plants, the cereals. It also works best. Works best when you've not applied it directly to the crop. So thank you. Endeavor to subscribe, like, and turn on that notification bell. Be notified when the new content is uploaded. Thank you.